I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back these feelings for so long. And if you feel like I do right now, mama, come on, ooh, come on, and let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's love, sugar. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. And come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Stop beating around the bush. Let's get it on. Hi, I'm Vasco, and today we're doing Let's Get It On by Marvin Gaye. That's a really cool song. So grab your ukulele and let's see how to do this one. In my opinion, the most important part of this song is how you count it. It will be way easier to do the groove if you're counting it like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright? So one bar is divided by 2 3s and 1 2. Okay? I hope this makes sense. We can use simple chords or a little bit more complicated chords. Let's start with the simple one. So C to E minor 7. Alright? And then we have F to G7. Okay? These are the main 4 chords. And here's how we count it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you see where we change the chords? And that's why it's easier to count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's get it on. And also I'm adding a few ghost notes here and there. By ghost notes I mean slight strums that are not as strong as the main one. So I'm doing one strong down and then up, up, kind of gentle. Down, up, up. On the next down, E minor 7. Down, down, up. Again, I'm mostly accenting on the first strum of each chord and then the rest are kind of not so strong. So alright, but actually maybe you noticed in the intro that I'm playing something different. It's the same chords but grabbed in a different way. And this allows me to have this little iconic move. Okay, so what I'm doing here, open G, open A, then third string on the A, and we're grabbing it here, the C chord, but with the same shape as the G, but grabbed up here, open 7, 8, 7, down, up, and then just barring the 7th fret like this gives us E minor 7. Okay, and then just moving this bar 1 fret down, avoiding the A string, and this gives us the F chord. And then here for the G I have options. This is one of them. I think this is actually better, but I recorded the intro with this one, this G, moving back to this G7. Give it a try to all of these and just feel free to exchange the shapes of the chords. Just it's important to be G7 here somewhere. So here's it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's get it on. I'll show you one little thing in a moment. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. whenever I have enough processing power in my brain left, I'm doing this, which is not in the song, but I just like the element, and I don't know, maybe you like it too. So I'm playing the E minor 7, and here on the A string, I'm playing this A string, and then with the middle finger hammer on and pull down, and then G, E, going to F, to G7. Just to add cooler element somewhere here, I don't know. If you want to skip it, I personally am doing it like this, and that's the video where I'm showing how I'm playing it, so feel free to switch it here and there and do your own version. I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back these feelings for so long. And if you feel like I feel right now, sugar, come on, ooh, come on, let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's love, sugar. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. And then we have the verse for which we are holding again. Actually, throughout most of the song, we are just holding this. And you can sometimes go to the louder chords. And after that we have the bridge where we are holding F, build a little bit more pressure in the song. Don't you know how sweet love can be? Again F. What was it? I'm asking you, baby, if you wanna get with me. So we're doing this thing 4 times, staying on F. And on the 4th time, so come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, here to D. Alright. Stop beating around the bush, holding G7. Let's get it on. And this is where we get back to the main part. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. So let's run through the bridge one more time without explaining much. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And now we close it. So come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Around the bush. And here you can actually do. I like to build it up a little bit like this, so I'm starting here on the G7, then on the A string, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here I'm grabbing this open 5, 7, 8. One last strum, quiet for just a little bit, and starting again. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. pretty much this sums up my tutorial for Let's Get It On by Marvin Gaye. That's a perfect song. Get it in your list, use it when it's appropriate, and enjoy the results. Yeah, give it a try and let me know how it went. See you on the next one. Goodbye.